lady down
Carol from Hall. I'm wondering, is there any way of having it more exposure that it's being done by the governor? Like the work when it's done, big signs, because, you know, I think that's one of the problems. People don't see what he's doing, you know, but when a bridge is getting fixed, a big sign. I remember signs with King and with all these other people, but I see very little of him, you know, exposure with big signs. This is something he's done, you know, and I think that could make a difference.
Yeah,
with people just
there are
knowing.
some signs up on the stimulus areas, but I can tell you as the construction season begins,
Good.
you'll see the governor out at many of these.
Good.
And a big sign, your stimulus money at work.
Yeah.